Before making any decision to buy Airslate, there are a few key things you should know. Whether you're looking for a workflow automation tool or exploring options like Zapier or Integromat, it's important to consider all angles. I've tested Airslate myself, and I'll walk you through 7 things you absolutely need to know before committing. First thing you'll want to know. Airslate is built for businesses that need to automate their processes without getting lost in a tech-heavy setup. If you're used to something like Zapier, you may find Airslate's interface a bit more straightforward. The learning curve isn't as steep, which is a huge win for non-techie users. But if you're expecting complete plug-and-play automation, it might take a bit of customization. Still, it's far more accessible than many competitors. Next thing, Airslate offers a very wide range of integrations, everything from Google Sheets to Salesforce, even payment platforms like Stripe. If your business is already using these tools, you'll appreciate how seamlessly Airslate ties into your existing software. Compare that with some other automation tools, which can be picky about integrations. But here's where Airslate really stands out. You can automate not just tasks, but entire workflows. This is a step up from what you can do with basic integrations like Zapier, where you're mostly just triggering actions. The third thing you need to know is that Airslate doesn't just automate processes. It also helps you create digital documents and workflows within the platform. Unlike some competitors like Monday.com or Asana, which focus primarily on task management, Airslate allows you to create and manage digital forms and documents. This is perfect for businesses that need a complete document automation solution, not just task tracking. The fourth thing you might not know is that Airslate's pricing isn't exactly transparent at first glance. This might be a deal breaker for some businesses, as pricing isn't immediately available on their website. If you're familiar with tools like DocuSign, you know that pricing can be an important factor when scaling your business. But with Airslate, you will need to have a conversation with their sales team to understand the full scope of what you'll pay based on your needs. The fifth thing is the customization level. Airslate allows for deep customizations when it comes to designing workflows, which can be a double-edged sword. The flexibility means you can tailor it to your exact needs, but it also means you're not just throwing something together in 10 minutes. If you're willing to invest the time in customizing your workflows, you'll get a highly tailored experience. But if you need something ready out of the box, you might need to look elsewhere or plan for a more complex setup. Sixth, if you're using Airslate in a team environment, collaboration is where it shines. Their real-time collaboration features are a significant upgrade over simpler tools like Zapier, where collaboration is often an afterthought. In Airslate, your team can be working on the same workflow at the same time, making updates and seeing changes in real time. This is a powerful feature for businesses that need more hands-on collaboration within their processes. And the seventh thing to know before buying, the customer support. I've reached out to Airslate support, and I found them to be responsive and knowledgeable, which is a big plus over some other automation platforms. If you've ever tried getting help from other platforms like Integromat, you know that support can often feel like a game of chance. With Airslate, I found their team to be quick to respond and eager to help you optimize your workflows. So now that you've got the lowdown on Airslate, if you're ready to try it out, the best offer is waiting for you in the description below. You can try Airslate for free and get some exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Don't miss out on this offer. Click the link and see if Airslate is the right solution for your business automation needs.